श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम्। शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। वागीशाद्याः सुमनसः सर्वार्थानामुपक्रमे यन्नत्वा कृतकृत्याः स्युः तं नमामि गजाननं। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुस्साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। यो नित्यमच्युतपदाम्बुजयुग्मरुक्मव्यामोहतस्थितराणि तृणाय मेने अस्मद्गुरोः भगवतोऽस्य दयैकसिन्धोः रामानुजस्य चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये। यस्य स्मरणमात्रेण द्वैतवासना प्रमुच्यते बोधात्मकाय नमस्तस्मै भगवते श्रीरमणमहर्षये। हृदाकाशे सदा भान्तं शान्तम् आनन्दरूपिणं ज्ञानबाणमहं वन्दे सद्गुरुं श्री सत्यसायिनं मम अन्तर्यामिनं। दोर्भिर्युक्ता चतुर्भिः स्फटिकमणिमयीम् अक्षमालां ददाना हस्तेनैकेन पद्मं सितमविचषकं पुस्तकं चापरेण भासा कुन्देन्दुशङ्खस्फटिकमणिनिभा भासमाना समाना सा मे वाग्देवतेयं निवसतु वदने सर्वदा सुप्रसन्ना। कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविताशाखां वन्दे वाल्मीकिकोकिलं। वाल्मीकेर्मुनिसिंहस्य कवितावनचारिणः शृण्वन् रामकथानादं को न याति परां गतिं। यः पिबन् सततं रामचरितामृतसागरम् अतृप्तस्तं मुनिं वन्दे प्राचेतसमकल्मषम्। गोष्पदीकृतवारीशम् अशकीकृतराक्षसं रामायणमहामाला रत्नं वन्दे अनिलात्मजम्। अञ्जनानन्दनं वीरं जानकीशोकनाशनं कबीशमक्षहन्तारं वन्दे लङ्काभयङ्करम्। उल्लङ्घ्य सिन्धोः सलिलं सलीलं यः शोकवह्निं जनकात्मजायाः आदाय तेनैव ददाह लङ्कां नमामि तं प्राञ्जलिराञ्जनेयम्। आञ्जनेयमधिपाटलाननं काञ्चनाद्रिकमनीयविग्रहं पारिजाततरुमूलवासिनं भावयामि पवमाननन्दनं। यत्र यत्र रघुनाथकीर्तनं तत्र तत्र कृतमस्तकाञ्जलिं बाष्पवारि परिपूर्णलोचनं मारुतिं नमत राक्षसान्तकम्। मनोजवं मारुततुल्यवेगं जितेन्द्रियं बुद्धिमतां वरिष्ठं वातात्मजं वानरयूतमुख्यं श्रीरामदूतं शिरसा नमामि। वाल्मीकिगिरिसम्भूता रामसागरगामिनी पुनातिभुवनं पुण्या रामायण महानदी। वेदवेद्ये परे पुंसी जाते दशरथात्मजे वेदप्राचेतसादासीत् साक्षात् रामायणात्मना। तदुपगतसमाससन्धियोगं सममधुरोपनार्थवाक्यबद्धं रघुवरचरितं मुनिप्रणीतं दशशिरसश्च वदं निशामयध्वं। मा निषादप्रतिष्ठां त्वमगमशाश्वती समाः यत्क्रौञ्चमिथुनादेकम् अवधीः काममोहितम्। आपदामपहर्तारं दातारं सर्वसम्पदां लोकाभिरामं श्रीरामं भूयो भूयो नमाम्यहं। रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेदसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः। वैदेही सहितं सुरद्रुमतले हैमे महामण्डपे मध्ये पुष्पकमासने मणिमये वीरासने सुस्थितम् अग्रे वाचयति प्रपञ्चनसुते तत्त्वं मुनिभ्यः परं व्याख्यान्तं भरतादिभिः परिवृतं रामं भजे श्यामळम्। वामे भूमिसुता परश्च हनुमान् पश्चात् सुमित्रासुतः शत्रुघ्नो भरतश्च पार्श्वदलयोः वायुवादिकोणेषु च सुग्रीवश्च विभीषणश्च युवराट् तारासुतो जाम्बवान् मध्ये नीलसरोजकोमलरुचिं रामं भजे श्यामळम्। गुरुवर्ते त्यक्तराज्यो व्यचरदनुवनं पद्मपद्भ्यां प्रियायाः वाणिस्पर्शाक्षमाभ्यां ऋजितपदरुचो यो हरीन्द्रानुजाभ्यां वैरूप्या शूर्पणख्या प्रियविरहरुषारोपितभ्रूविजृम्भत्रस्ताब्धिः बद्धसेतुः कलदवदघ्नः कौशलेन्द्रोऽवदान्नः। जानकीकान्तस्मरणं जय जय राम राम आञ्जनेय स्वामी की जय। अहल्योद्धारक Rama, Shapa Vimochana Rama. And yesterday we saw how Rama emancipated Ahalya, redeemed her from her curse, made her free from the curse of many years. Ramayana gives the greatest importance to the female characters. Most of the story moves only because of women in Ramayana. Whether it is the plus side or the negative side, positive or the negative side, Rama's first debut as a warrior is facilitated by Tataka. Rama's prowess is going to get further enhanced when he breaks the Shivadhanus and wins the hand of Sita. Manthara and Kaikeyi allow the story to move forward. Shurpanakha will come at the right time to carry it on to the next step. And even then, Sita has to play a very important role in sending Lakshmana away so that the story can move. Extraordinary Tapasvi Shabari, extraordinary Tapaswini Anasuya before. Again, the story moves only because of Ruma being kidnapped by Vali. Kinship is felt between Sugriva and Rama because of Sugriva's wife being kidnapped, Ruma. The monkeys which were lost could not have found their way out but for the grace of Swayamprabha. Wherever the story comes to a standstill, women have to move it along, be they Surasa or Simhika or Lankini or Trijata, who sustained Sita during her long exile. La Editrime, you find Ramayana is sprinkled with extraordinary women who move the story along. People speak about women's rights and all that. Valmiki Bhagavan established it on firm grounds. Apave, Niko Vannutar. Without these ladies' story, there is no Ramayana story at all. Story cannot move. Adula, in that long line of illustrious women comes Ahalya. Ahalya and Ahalya Shapam, Ahalya Shapa Vimochanam. Paramadane Pakaro, Ahalya Shapa Vimochanam contains a very great story, a great lesson, a great truth for us all to understand and practice. Ramana Bhagavan often used to say that there is a great Mahashakti that is making everything happen. A great Mahashakti is running this entire universe. ஒரு பெரிய மகாசக்தி இது எல்லாத்தையும் நடத்தின்னு இருக்கு அப்படின்னு பகவான் சொல்லும். We should recognize that there is a Mahashakti in operation and surrender ourselves to that Mahashakti. அப்படின்னு பகவான் would say. In the Ahalya Shapa Vimochana story beautifully highlights that truth. Rama and Lakshmana are following Vishwamitra Maharshi. They have come to Mithilapuri. Outskirts of Mithilapuri is the ashrama. And Rama is introduced to an old story which took place several years ago. எத்தனையோ வருஷங்கள் முன்னாடி the story took place. Bahuni Varsha Sahasrani abdinne, for many thousands of years she has been doing tapasya there. Iha Varsha Sahasrani Bahuni abdinne solrar Gautama. In the curse he says Bahuni Varsha Sahasrani, for many thousands of years you do tapasya here. And the curse comes to a close in Gautama's own words when Rama comes this way. When Rama comes this way, Rama's father himself was not conceived at that time. Perhaps Rama's grandfather also was not born. Perhaps Rama's great grandfather ka apadam ponnu paathindirukalo ennavo. It is thousands of years ago. Gautama Muni says, "Hey Ahalya, you stay here unseen by everybody doing tapasya until Rama will come." Abdiyanna, Rama has to come. Rama has no choice but to come. ராமாயணம் முழுக்க நிறைய இடத்துல we will see these kind of things happening. ஒரு subtle message ராமாயண teaches us in Sharanagati தத்துவம். Sharanagatiன்னு உடனே we should not only think about விபீஷண Sharanagati. அது மாத்திரம் இல்லை Sharanagati. இதை விட ஒரு Sharanagati நடந்துட்டே இருக்கு. Thousands of years before Rama even appeared upon the earth, Gautama Muni says, Rama will come here and relieve you. Kabanda is going to say the same thing. Kabanda was cursed. Virada was cursed. The Viradan, Kabandan, the Rakshasalakalam, they all know Rama is going to come, Rama is going to come. When Rama is still in Chitrakutam, at that time Matanga Muni is going to tell Shabari, Amma Shabari, I am going to depart from here, but in a few years time, Rama will come looking for his lost wife. At that time you tell him to go to Sugriva. Matanga Muni kalamba pora. When you look at all of these events that are happening, a prophecy madri irukallaya. Even before the event has happened, people have been able to not only correctly foretell it, but even base actions on it. But what does it tell us? Abdina, or Mahashakti is operating. That is why when Vishwamitra Maharishi says, Rama, by you alone is this deed going to happen. Abdina, Rama understands correctly. That means I will be used as a medium. I will be used as an instrument for this action to happen. Idhukku my sankalpa is not necessary. My sankalpa, my will, my volition, oh, now I will do this, is not necessary, because even before I was born, if they have already decided, this is a done and dusted thing. Done and dusted. It is not happening now, it is already happened. Thousands of years ago, already it has happened that Rama will relieve Ahalya's curse. So Rama is not doing anything at all. We say Ahalyodharaka Rama, Shapa Vimochana Rama. If you ask Rama, hey Rama, somebody interviewed Rama. Mike Rama, I'm a reporter from such and such a place. I'd like to talk to you about your experiences. How did you feel when you stepped into the ashrama, and the moment you stepped into it, Ahalya came freed from her curse? What are your thoughts about it? Rama, what is there for me to think about? I did nothing. How can you say you did nothing? But for you, but for me, Lapa. Gautama Muni had already decided. Anybody bearing the name Rama, if he came, that way would have happened. I happened to be the first Rama who came. The Munadi Parashuramar and the Andrandarnam, Shabam Tin the Berkumo and Arganda. Parashuramar Varla and the Bakam. If Parashurama had come this way, it would have happened. Parashurama did not come. Hedo Rama. I have not done anything. Abdina Rama will clearly understand the truth. For us to understand the Brahma Tattvam, there is an active way and there is a passive way. I'm just using these words, active, passive. Active way enna vicharam pandrathu. I will inquire into the Brahman. I will discard everything. Neti abdina, I will discard everything. I will relentlessly keep drilling in, burrowing in, sukshmaya agaraya buddhya. And I will arrive at that truth of who I am. Abdingaradu oru way. Equally, there is another way. Enna way abdiyana? Passively to understand. Understanding passive understanding activity irukku, but there is no other action here. Shalmanada Tanuvin Karmadi Shiridindri, there is no action whatsoever. Anal, there is the clean awareness, constant awareness. I am doing nothing. I am not doing anything. Practicala Sharanagati. What is it in practice? Idam practice. Either there is no action involved. You be very clear about it. You should not go and do some action and think that is Sharanagati. Sharanagati there is no action. And what is involved in Sharanagati? An awake, alert awareness which enables you to see that Mahashakti in action. ஒரு பெரிய சக்தி அது பாட்டு எல்லாத்தையும் நடத்தின்னு இருக்கு இல்லையா, இட் இஸ் மேக்கிங் எவ்ரிதிங் ஹேப்பன் இல்லையா. ஒரு when there is a storm or when there is a stiff breeze also, sometimes you can see a leaf will be blown and it will go up and it will go down. You can watch it, you can actually see it. When you see that leaf fly, you are actually seeing the power behind which is making the leaf fly. ஏன்னா லீஃபால பறக்க முடியுமோ? Can the leaf fly? Leaf cannot fly. Appo when you are seeing it going up and coming down and twisting and turning, you are actually witnessing that Mahashakti, that great energy, the great power, the current of it which is making it move in this way. Illaya? Like that, when you become the leaf and you are able to see the force of that Shakti, that Mahashakti making everything happen. Water தூக்கி அடிச்சுட்டு போய் கொண்டு போயிட்டு இருக்கு நம்மள. It is taking us, it is carrying us along. There is no kartrutvam of any sort anywhere for anybody. Neither the good people nor the so-called bad people. Nobody is doing anything at all whatsoever. Or Mahashakti நடத்திட்டு போயிட்டு இருக்கு. He who believes in the existence of this Mahashakti is called an ஆஸ்திகா. நம்ம தமிழ்லையோ சம்ஸ்கிருதத்திலையோ ஆஸ்திகன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா. ஆஸ்திகா நாஸ்திகா அப்படின்னு ரெண்டு பேரை சொல்லுவோம். ஆஸ்திகா நாஸ்திகா. நாஸ்திகா அப்படின்னா the atheist. ஆஸ்திகான்னா the theist, the opposite of an atheist. Atheist is the one who does not believe in the existence of God. அஸ்தி அப்படிங்கிறதுல விசுவாசம் இருக்கிறவன் ஆஸ்திகன். Nasti, Nasti abdini, he says no, it does not exist, is an Astika. Most of us we will say we are all Astikas only. Anna we believe in God. Anna we are all Nastikas. In a way we are all Nastikas only because we do not believe it is that Mahashakti that is doing everything. We think we are doing everything. ஒரு விதத்துல நாஸ்திகால் தான் நம்ம எல்லாரும். ஒரு விதத்துல, in one way, in a manner of speaking, we are all atheists only. Because there is that great Mahashakti that is doing everything. What do we have to do? Abdiyanna, when we do not interrupt that flow of that Mahashakti, then whatever happens through us becomes a miracle. Rama came and Ahalya emerged from her thousands of years stasis, from a state of absolute inaction, inactivity or coma like state. She emerged. It looks like a miracle to us. And why did that miracle happen? Because Rama is not interrupting the flow of that Mahashakti. That's why Rama is demonstrating. How did Rama demonstrate? Vishwamitram puraskritya. How did he enter into the ashrama when Vishwamitra narrated this whole story and he said, Appa, it is only by your Shakti, but by your presence that this curse is going to be removed. Abdini Chanodane Vishwamitram puraskritya ashramam praviveshaha. Abdini Rama and Lakshmana, when they heard Vishwamitra's words, they put Vishwamitra in the front and merely followed him. அப்படிங்கிறதுல என்ன தெரிகிறது? அது ஒரு சின்ன வார்த்தை தான். It simply shows the order in which they entered into the ashrama. But it symbolizes a lot more. It symbolizes Rama's attitude. Vishwamitram puraskritya ashramam praviveshaha. Keeping Vishwamitra at the head, he entered into the ashrama. நான் பண்றதுக்கு ஒண்ணுமே இல்லை. I have nothing to do. I have nothing to do here. If it has to happen, it will happen. ஏன் அப்படின்னா அதற்கானவன் அங்கிருந்து ஆட்டி வைப்பான். He who is the ordainer of all fates is going to sit there and make everything happen. இதுல நாம் பண்ணித்தான் இல்லை. But without Rama coming in, Ahalya Shapa would not have been broken. True. But Rama coming there is not Rama's volition. Rama coming there itself is not Rama's choice. இல்லையா? நினைச்சு பாருங்க. Think about it. Think about it very clearly. Rama's original so-called plan, Rama had no plan whatsoever. He just came and sat down in Dasharatha Maharaja's court. Dasharatha ordered him, go with Vishwamitra and obey him. Sherry, okay. Protect the yajna, finished. Adhikaparama, after that, it was not even in the plan, it was not in the cards. Nobody told anything about it. We'll go to Mithila. Okay. On the way, we will stop at Ahalya Ashrama. Okay. Oh, by the way, Ahalya is sitting here being cursed, you have to remove her. Okay. அப்போ ராமர் ஒன்று பிளான் போட்டு வரலையே. If Rama did not arrive at the outskirts of the ashrama with a plan, then why should a plan start now? This is something we have to ponder upon, meditate upon. If he is standing at the very edge of the door, threshold of the ashrama, Vishwamitra is narrating this whole story. Rama, you alone have to remove. இப்போ உடனே until this point in time things have happened without my plan, so do I need to now make a plan to get in and do something about it? இங்கதான் எல்லாரும் கன்ஃபியூஸ் ஆயிடுவா. Many people will get confused as to where is human effort, where is planning to be done, and where things have to go as they are going. அப்படிங்கிறதுல if you are confused, I will not blame you at all. Mightier intellects have been confused by it. So if you are confused, அது தப்பே இல்லை. In the moment in our life, everything that has happened in our life until this moment, it is just rolling along. There is a juggernaut in Cholwalaya. In English, they use a word called juggernaut. Juggernaut அப்படினா ஒரு unstoppable force. The word comes from Jagannath. The English word juggernaut actually capital J போட்டு தான் போடணும். When you write it, you have to put a capital J. It rolled on like a juggernaut. It is not juggernaut, it's Jagannath. In Puri, in Odisha, in Puri, the Rath Yatra is done. Jagannath Rath Yatra. A huge ratham with big, mighty, massive wooden wheels. When it starts to roll, nobody can stop it. It is such a massive force. To pull it requires so much of human effort. Once it starts, if it starts to roll, people will be crushed in it. In fact, in those days, until it was banned recently, people used to willingly fall on the path of the Ratha because they believed to be crushed by it means to go to Vaikunta. Adhanala they will gladly fall and give up their lives also. ஏன்னா நிற்க முடியாது. You cannot stop it saying, ஐயோ somebody has fallen, let us stop it. முடியாது. Once it starts, there is an unstoppable force. அதுக்கு ஜகநாத் ரத் யாத்ராலேருந்து ஜகர்நாட் in இங்கிலீஷ்ல வேர்டு வந்துடுது. So today we use the word, it is a juggernaut, it stops. Juggernaut na என்னவோ Greek mythology ஓ இல்லனா Norse mythology எல்லாம் நினைக்க வேண்டாம். நம்ம ஜகநாதன் தான். Jagannatha is an unstoppable force. Jagannatha அப்படினா the lord of the world, the lord of the universe னு அர்த்தம். Jagannatha, the lord of the universe. He is an unstoppable force. And caught in that force, we are drifting along until this moment. If you think it is your plan that has made you reach this particular point, I have to salute you as the world's greatest idiot. If there is an award to be given, then I will wholeheartedly recommend that award be bestowed upon you. But there is a problem. There's a problem. The reason why that award is not given is because there are too many competitors. There are far too many competitors. Everybody wants to have that award. Therefore, everybody is believing wholeheartedly that they are planning everything, they are making everything happen. What is Sharanagati? Sharanagati or surrender is to understand very clearly, grasp very clearly, not do, but understand. The Grahanam Panikanam. Grahanam Panikanam. The English word grasp comes from this Graha, Grahyam, Grahana, and the Varthingalana. To Grahichikardunu Shalvolya number. The Grahichikanam. Enatha Grahichikanam, what should be accepted, what should be held on to? The knowledge that a great Mahashakti exists. First, it is there. Second, it is doing everything. It is doing everything. And we are simply drifting along in its force, in its power. We are simply flowing in its force and in its power. Once we understand this, there cannot be any kartrutva of any sort whatsoever. I am doing அப்படிங்கிறதே வராது. பாருங்க, அகங்காரத்துக்கு, for ahankara, the manure in which the ahankara tree flourishes. அகங்காரம் ஒரு பெரிய விருட்சம் அப்படின்னு நினைச்சுட்டோம்னா, அகங்கார விருட்சத்துக்கு how does it flourish அப்படின்னா, அதுக்கு ஒரு சாயில் மேன்யூர்லாம் வேணும் இல்லையா? வாட் இஸ் இட்னா, அந்த கர்த்திருவம் தான் பெரிய ஒரு மேன்யூர். I am doing. I have to do. In the I have to do, that is the great fertilizer, the great manure, the great soil in which the ahankara vriksha is flourishing and growing nicely. The more of this fertilizer you put, the more it will grow. அதுக்கு பகவான் சொல்றான் கீதையில, Krishna says in the Gita, asanga shastrena dhridena chitva அப்படினு சொல்றான். இந்த மரத்தை என்ன பண்ணணும்னா, what should you do to this tree அப்படினா, you got to take a shastram, ஒரு axe, a weapon called asanga shastram. Asangamna detachment. Dhridena chitva, அதை வச்சு you got to firmly cut it asunder. What detachment? Detachment from what? Detachment from the idea that I am the doer. That I am doing, that I am thinking, I am planning, I have to accomplish, I have to achieve. ஒரு joke. And look at the world today. Who can plan anything? இப்போ பிளானே பண்ண முடியாது இல்லையா? People say, oh, plan லாம் கத்திர போயிட்டு வாயா. Can you make any plan in today's world today, as especially in Australia? ஏன்னா ஆவுனா லாக்டவுன் நம்ம border close அப்படிம்பா. ஏதோ ஒன்று பண்ணுவோம், ஒரு கிரகப்பிரவேசம் பண்ணுவோம், we'll do கிரகப்பிரவேஷா, we'll invite everybody, sorry, lockdown. We'll do a wedding, sorry, lockdown. We'll go to a party, sorry, lockdown. We'll go on a holiday, lockdown. இது நிமிஷத்துக்கு நிமிஷம் லாக்டவுன் வருதா இல்லையா? What plan can you make? What is the use of any of those things? எல்லாம் வியர்த்தம் இல்லையோ? In fact, what you achieve by making all your plans, you are ensuring that you are going to be frustrated more number of times. And as many plans as you have, that many opportunities you have to be frustrated. நீ எவ்வளோ கூட பிளான் பண்றியோ அவ்வளோ கூட உனக்கு you are ensuring that you can be depressed, disappointed, sad, tensed, stressed, angry, எல்லாம் depending upon directly proportional to the number of plans you make. இதை பண்ணி அதுக்கப்புறம் அதை பண்ணி அதுக்கப்புறம் அதை பண்ணி அதனால வந்தது அதை பண்ணி I will do this and then as a result of that I will do that and then from that I will do this and from this I will do that. இந்த முதல் திசே போயிடும், புஷ்னு போயிடும். இந்த முதல் திசை புஷ்னு போனதுக்கு அப்புறம் நீ என்ன பண்ண போற? அதுக்கப்புறம் எல்லாம் பஸ்ன்னு ஆயிடும். அதுக்கப்புறம் कुछ भी नहीं है, सब बस हो गया, खत्म, எல்லாம் அங்கேயே நின்னு போச்சு. What do we learn? கற்பாரி ராமபிரானை எல்லால் மற்றும் கற்பரோம் தானே சொன்னோம். Rama is teaching us பதே every step la Rama Bhagavan is teaching us a lesson. இங்க வந்து நிற்கிறார். Rama is standing here in Ahalya's ashrama. He is not walking in, He is not saying, I will do it, tell me how should I do. ஒரு வார்த்தை கேட்டாரா? Rama, you alone will have to remove this shapa. அப்படியா? I am ready to do whatever it takes. ஒரு noble sentiment, noble intent. ஆஹா, அப்ப ஏற்பட்ட ஒரு மகாதேவியா, I will do anything. Even if I have to sacrifice my life in order to redeem her from her curse, I shall do so. Vishwamitra Maharshi, please, you command me. What should I do? In what manner should I relieve her of her curse? ஒன்னும் கிடையாது. Nothing. Vishwamitram puraskritya ashramam praviveshaha. நீங்க உள்ள போங்க, நான் பின்னாடி வரேன். நம்மளே எக்ஸைட் ஆயிடுவோம். We will become excited. Oh, I will do anything. You just tell me. I will do. You just tell me. Oh, you will do. Understand that this is not merely the usage of words that we are talking about. If suppose somebody asks you, can you please do this? No, if I say, okay, I will do it, then it is ahankara, no? No, I can't do it, I won't do it. What will you do? You have to say, yes, I will do it. In that particular juncture, occasion, when somebody says, can you do this? Will you do this? Sure, I will do it. That is what you have to say. It is not the words. Don't be an idiot again, please. Try and resist the temptation. I know for many thousands of years, thousands of births, you have staunchly practiced the holy art of idiocy. அதனால the natural temptation would be to fall into the state of idiocy. நம்ம பண்ணப்படாது. அதுதான் சாதனா. என்ன சாதனானா என்ன மூர்க்கரா இருக்கக்கூடாது. மூர்க்கனா ஒருத்தர் இருக்கக்கூடாது. வசிஷ்டர் சொல்றார் ராமர் கிட்ட, ராமா, it is better to die than be a மூர்க்கா அப்படின்னு சொல்றார். முட்டாளா இருந்துடாதடா. வாசிஷ்டத்தை சொல்றார். In Yoga Vasishtam, Vashishta tells Rama, it is better to die than to become a மூர்க்கா, to remain as a mandu. மண்டுவா இருக்கப்படாது. மண்டுன்னு சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா தமிழ்ல? மண்டு அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். மண்டுனா என்ன அர்த்தம் அப்படின்னா மண்டுகம்னு அர்த்தம். ஃப்ராக். மண்டு கஹனா ஃப்ராக். இந்த ஃப்ராக் என்ன பண்ணும் அப்படின்னா, it stays in a little well and thinks this is all there is to it. தான் தெரிஞ்ச தூண்டு அறிவை வச்சுட்டு அவ்வளவுதான் நினைச்சுட்டு இருக்கோம். அப்படி இருக்கவே கூடாதுன்னு சொல்லுவோம். Never be an idiot. Resist the temptation to fall back into the old tried tested paths of idiocy. It is not the words that we are talking about here. Bhava. More than bhava, oru jnana, oru jnapti, oru recognition. What should your recognition be now? Your force is making everything happen. I should understand that there is nothing that oru volition, will enu ulle varapadadu. சில மண்டுக்கள்லாம் இருப்பா. அவ என்ன சொல்லுவா அப்படின்னா, suppose there is a Mahatma, the Mahatma will say, organize this puja அப்படின்னு சொல்லு. பத்தியா அவர் பிளான் பண்ணார், பத்தியா, he is planning, he is making plan, his sankalpa is there. அது foolish. இங்கதான் that is where the difference. எல்லாருக்கும் புரிஞ்சு கொடுத்தா அப்புறம் எல்லாரும் ஞானி ஆயிடுவா இல்லையா? அதான் ப்ராப்ளம். If everybody can understand, everybody will become a ஞானி. He is operating in such a way that even when he is saying, let us do this, it is the force that is going through. He is not doing. It is not external. It is not seen in external action or external behavior, etc. Rama case la, because Rama wants to show us the truth, he is showing it to us. அதனால he is letting Vishwamitra walk and not saying anything. அதுக்கு proof என்ன அப்படின்னா, later on he is going to say, what should I do னு கேட்க போறார் ராமர் அப்புறமா. When Rama is going to Dandakaranya forest, all the rishis are going to come and tell him, Rama, we are all in trouble, we are seeking your help, tell me what should I do, I will do it for you all. ராமர் சொல்ல போறார், I will do it for you all. ராமர் சொல்ல போறார். இந்த இடத்துல ஞாபகம் வருது, when Sanat Kumaras go to Vaikuntha, Bhagavan comes and says, even if I have to cut my hand, I will cut it to you to make you happy. Enna pannanu solunga, tell me what should I do? Shall I cut my hand? The Madri Rama is going to say, tell me what should I do? I will do anything. No, these Rakshasas are all coming and disturbing us. Don't worry, I will kill them all. Appo, Ramar Kartrutvam irkallaya. See, Rama has got doership. Appadinu sonna enna panna mudiyum? What can we say about you? It is the awareness. Idu vandu romba kashtam. Adala Sharanagathiyum easy nu sollala yarum. Sharanagati is also extremely difficult to do because you need to understand how do you simply give in to this force. If the force makes you say I will do it, you say I will do it. But you are not attached at all. Asangam nu sonnar. Asanga shastrena, you are not attached. Shilaber enna solluva? Some people will say, I am not attached at all. I am not do. I am saying. But it is simply the force. Ana when things go wrong, I should not have done this, I should have done that. Yena sangam irukilla anga asangam erpadala. It has to happen. It happened. For whatever reason, it had to happen. It happened. Ella deva sankalpa. That difference irukku. That is where the difference is there. These are not things that can be easily understood. Idu puriyanum appadina chitta shuddhi vaanum. See, it is subtle, and for the subtlety to be understood, for this nuance to be understood, chitta shuddhi is necessary. Adanala dhaan Bhagavan Geethaiyila azhagga solran. They cannot find a more clean and clear cut way in which the truth is explained to us than in the Bhagavad Gita, where Bhagavan says, Arjuna, you are not yet ready to give up Kartrutvam, at least give up Bhoktrutvam. You are not yet ready to give up doership, at least give up the fruit of the action. At least do selfless action. Selfless action is the first step. Karma yoga. Karma nala cleanse ayi upasana, upasana nala cleanse ayi jnana. Chittasya shuddhaye karma appadinu solrar acharya. What is karma for? Appadina chittasya shuddhi kosaram. Chitta shuddhi kaake. In order to facilitate chitta shuddhi, ena chitta shuddhi vandatna, and only after that we will be able to see that force in action. Adavarikum we will not see that force. Adukku first enna pananum? What should we do appadina? Even if we cannot give up kartrutvam, at least we have got to give up the expectation of the result of the action. Idukkaga naan pandrengaradadu illama irukanum. Seri, I am doing, I cannot give up the idea I am doing, but at least I am not doing for these reasons for myself. Illa Bhagavad Preeti Artham. Sarva karma Bhagavad Preeti Arthamavathu nama pannanum. Sarva karma Bhagavad Preeti Artham. If at all I am doing anything, I am only doing it for the sake of, for the pleasure of the Lord. Pleasure of the Lord ennartham. It is the will of the Lord, therefore I am doing. Therefore we never do have any choice. We do not have any choice in the external world, in the external actions. All our choice is inside. The choice that we have is to either consider ourselves the doers or not consider ourselves as the doers. That is the free will, that is the choice that is given to you. What action is all destined. Rama himself is not free from it. Rama, the Lord, the Supreme, the absolutely independent Master himself is not free because Gautama Muni says Rama will come here. Rama has to come there. Matanga Muni says Rama will come, don't worry. Rama has to come. Rama does not have a choice. Sakshat Rama himself does not have a choice. Now who are we to talk about choice? But Rama could not say, no, sorry, I can't be bothered with Ahalya, Gihalya and all. Can't be bothered. Rama cannot say. Yeah, now it is already, somebody has already destined it. ஈஸ்வரனுக்கே கிடையாது. நம்ம என்ன கதை, எவ்வளவு கதைகள் பார்க்கணும் இல்லையா? கஜேந்திரா ஒரு எலிஃபென்ட், ஹூன்னு ஒரு கந்தர்வன். Rishi said, don't worry, when Narayana will come and redeem you. But Narayana has no choice but to listen to the orders of the Rishi. இல்லையா? Narada Muni gives the shapa to Manigriva and Alakubra, go become trees. They have to become trees. அதுக்கப்புறம் Krishna has to crawl. Krishna ஒரு வழி கிடையாது, வரலையும் இழுத்துட்டு போகணும் கிருஷ்ணனுக்கு. Krishna has no other option but to drag the mortal and go in between the trees so that Narada Maharishi's words will come true. அப்பேற்பட்ட அவதாரம் நிருசிம்மாவதாரம். சத்தியம் விதாத்தும் நிஜ பிரத்யபாஷிதம் அப்படின்னு அவதாரம் itself take place only because somebody said it will happen. அதனால Narasimha has to take this unique form and jump out of the pillar. When Ishvara himself does not have a choice, நமக்கு எங்க choice இருக்கு சொல்லுங்க? What choice do we have? ஈஸ்வரனுக்கே choice இல்லையே. ஈஸ்வரனுக்கே choice இல்லை இல்லையா? அப்போ ஒரு கேள்வி, கர்ம தஜ்ஜடம், கர்ம கிம் பரம் கர்ம தஜ்ஜடம் அப்படிங்கிற கர்மா ஜடமான கர்மா, இனர்ட் கர்மா, ஹவு கேன் இட் கிளென்சஸ் அப்படின்னு ஒரு கேள்வி வருது. ஹவு கேன் இனர்ட் கர்மா கிளென்சஸ் அப்படின்னா, ஸ்ரீமத் பாகவதத்தில் இந்த வெரி ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஸ்கந்தா itself there is a very beautiful a truth that is told. Narada tells this to Vyasa. He says, just as a thorn is used to remove a thorn, so karma is used to remove karma. Karma jadam தான், ஆனா to remove karma என்ன karma தான். என்ன karma? நிஷ்காமிய karma. The thorn that has gone in is the thorn of kamya karma, action, desire oriented action. I want this, I have to accomplish this, I have to get a name, I have to get fame, I have to desire oriented, I have to protect my family, I have to do service to society, does not matter what it is, but it is karma that is associated with some form of desire there. The only way to get rid of that is to do the same karma without any desire. ஏதோ பண்ணணும், பகவத் கர்மா, பகவத் சங்கல்பம் நடக்கட்டும். It is Bhagavan's work. In fact, I think today's thought for the day also Swami says, don't distinguish between your work and God's work. Everything is God's work in சொல்றார். எல்லாம் ஈஸ்வர work தான், எல்லாம் பகவானுடைய காரியம் தான். There is no such thing as your work. Everything is happening perfectly. There are no mistakes. There are no mistakes. Everything is happening perfectly. There is only one mistake. என்ன mistake na? You take it to be your action. Adha mistake. When you take an action to be done by you, it is mistaken. It should not be taken like that, but since you take it like that, we call it a mistake. A correct take, it should be his take, not mistake. It should be all be his take. Ella Ishwaram mandran, ella Bhagavan is doing everything. It is all happening, or Mahashakti is doing everything. என் வேலை என்ன? What is my job? தேமையான் இருக்கிறது தான் என் வேலை. I have to simply watch it. I have to simply see the flow of that Mahashakti in action. It is floating along and I am going along with it. There are no mistakes, there are no choices of my own. What has to happen will happen. Nobody can stop it. என் முயற்சிக்கணும் நடவாது. பகவான் சொல்றது, Ramana Bhagavan wrote a letter to his mother, and in that letter Bhagavan says, பெரிய உபனிஷத் அது, சரணாகதி தத்துவத்துக்கு ஒரு உபனிஷத் அது. Because Bhagavan says in that letter, what must happen will happen, no matter how much you try to stop it, you cannot stop it. And what will not happen no matter how much you try to make it happen. அதனால என்னன்னா சும்மா இருப்பதே மேல். அதனால the best thing to do is to keep quiet. ஏன்னா அதற்கானவன் அங்கிருந்து ஆட்டி வைப்பான். ஏன்னா there is a supreme power that is making it happen. You cannot contend with that power. You cannot go and contend with that. You cannot fight with that power to stop it or make it happen. அதனால to imagine that I can somehow make it, ஐயோ I should have done this, ஓஹோ I did this, எல்லாம் வியர்த்தம். All of that is foolish. ஒரு human emotion அப்படிதான், but it's foolish. There is no reality to it. Therefore, through that karma of selflessness, though actions are happening, every action that we have got to do, let it be done with the fullest knowledge and the awareness that this is happening for some extraordinary divine plan. It is all part of that extraordinary divine plan. Appadinu pannindu irundomanal, if you do your action in that manner, chittam will be purified. Chittamna, your inner space will be purified. Because your inner space is currently polluted with the I am doing thought. That inner space will be purified. Naham karta iti vishwasa amritam pitva sukhi bhava. அப்படின்னு சொல்றார் அஷ்டாவக்ரா டு ஜனக மகாராஜா. இப்போ போறா இல்லையா, தேர் மீட்டிங் ஜனக மகாராஜா இல்லையா, இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு ஜனக, ஒரு மிதிலாதிபதி. Ashtavakra is the guru, and Ashtavakra says to the Janaka, Appa, Janaka, you have been bitten by a Chadarna Pambulappa, not an ordinary snake. You have been bitten by a very, very poisonous black snake. Krishna Sarpa, Krishnahi. Krishna Sarpamna, Krishna black in Artham. Krishna Nalla. Krishna, now Lord Krishna is not the snake that bit him. Krishna na black in Artham. Krishna Varna. Krishna Sarpamna, black snake. Very poisonous snake. Enna Krishna Sarpam, what black snake has bitten you? Aham Karta. Abdingara black snake. I am the doer. There is only one remedy. There is only one antidote. There is a Amritam. There is a nectar that can nullify the effect of this poison. Naham Karta. Abdingara Vishwasa Amritam. Nahankarteti Vishwasamritam. The Amrita in the form of the firm conviction, I am not the doer. That's what our force is doing. It takes a lot of courage, a lot of dispassion, detachment to have this Vishwasam, to have this faith. First, dispassion is necessary, detachment is necessary. You should be in a position, it does not matter what happens, I am not going to be bothered by it. Dispassion, detachment is necessary. You know, as long as it is happening this way, I can accept it. But if it happens that way, then I should do whatever I can to change it. A feeling will come into us. Adhikar detachment is necessary. Whatever happens, happens. It's got nothing to do with me. It has nothing to do with me. For that jnana is necessary to know that I am the Atma, distinct and separate from all of these things that are happening around me. Adanala, I am not bothered, I am not influenced by any of these things that are happening. Abdinu or Shakti Vanam, or a Dhrida Shakti is necessary that can keep me established in myself and without getting into the eddies and the whirlpools of things that are happening around me. So, adukku oru jnanam, adukku oru vairagyam ella irukano. Appo along with that and the bhakti. Appo adukku oru bhakti. Enna bhakti? Ishwaran irukkan. He is doing. Adha bhakti. Adane bhakti. Bhakti oru trust vendamo Bhagavan kitta. Should we not have the trust? Trust irukko, trust illiye. There was a tightrope walker, it seems. A tightrope walker was displaying his skills in the street. He had put two tall structures and there was a long tightrope that was tied to the ends and he was walking, balancing himself on that. He had a pole first, then he threw the pole, he walked along, ran up and down, jumped up and down. Told people to throw things at him, he could catch that and throw it back. He did all kinds of things. Extraordinary skill he had. Everybody was applauding. Appa he said, I can juggle anything. While I am on the tightrope, I can juggle anything. Yes, we believe you. And the people shouted. In that case, one of you throw your child up to me. Somebody was standing there with the child. Throw the child to me. I will juggle the child. No. Yeah, what happened? Throw the child, I will juggle it. No. How can I throw the child? Do you believe that I can do it? Yeah, we believe that you can do it. Then no, but we don't have the trust. Trust in the Bharatiya kondu vanda. Belief vera, trust vera. trust no I have to trust it, no? Trust, I have to entrust something of mine own to them. Appadane entrust. If I say I have trust, but I'm refusing to, unwilling to entrust. In English, we use the word entrust, no? Means to give over to somebody to keep safe. I entrust this with you. We are not willing to entrust anything. And the trust, that is why we call Vibhishana as the most important example of Sharanagati. Yanna bhavadgatam hime rajyam jivitani sukhani cha. How he comes and entrusts everything to Rama. He says, Prabho, Ji, my Rajyam. Rajyam channa, he doesn't mean his kingdom. Kingdom illa. What is his Rajyam? His family is his Rajyam. And our wife, Koranda, Kutti, his family is all in Lanka. Jivitam, his life, Sukham, my happiness, Ellam Bhavadgatam. It is all up to you. Up to you. Because I am not going to do anything one way or the other to make it happen according to a plan of mine. I have given up plans. Whatever it is that you want to happen, and till today, whether you know it or not, whether you believe it or not, whether you accept it or not, up until this very moment, everything that has happened has always already happened only according to his plan. And if at all it seems as though it has happened according to your plan, it is simply because those are few cases your plan happened to luckily coincide with his. Where your plan did not coincide with his plan, it did not happen. No, I tried, but what to do? It did not happen. Why? Your plan didn't coincide with his plan. And all the other occasions when it happened, that is because it was a chance, the lucky chance. Unfortunately, we only take those few lucky chances where it so happened to align. And therefore we think, oh, my work, my effort, my plan, that is what came to pass. Not at all. So it is only when where does it start? Where does it start? Now, a question comes to people, and it is an entirely wrong question. Immediately people will ask the question, predestined. Is it all predestined? Now, the word predestined means before, post, after. Opposite of post is pre. Yes or no? So predestined, it is all destined in the past by God. Because we see Gautama Rishi giving a curse, Rama will come thousands of years later. Gautama calculated in the year Rama will come at 12:59 p.m. On Tuesday, Wednesday. On 12:59 Wednesday, Rama will come. Not like that. Time does not exist for Bhagavan. Bhagavan is Kalatita. Bhagavan Kalatita nu solrom. We say he is beyond time. Time does not exist. Pre, post, past eல்லாம் கிடையாது அவனுக்கு. He doesn't have all of that. It is not like Bhagavan has got no other job. One day he simply sat down on a big piece of paper. He wrote about everything, and then he said, from now on creation will happen. அப்படிலாம் கிடையாது. So first of all, give up any idea, oh then sadhana is also predestined. Unless Bhagavan decides that I should do sadhana, I will not be able to do sadhana. Then you will be a non-starter. Don't worry about whether my sadhana has been predestined. Understand it in the correct sense. And even if you say, okay, it is destined, that is why we are talking about it. Is it predestined? Yes, maybe. So that means I don't need to do. No, you have to do. Why not? Because I am telling you. My telling you is also predestined. No, so better do. If you are not meant to do, then I will not be telling you. எங்கேயோ ஒரு இடத்துல it has to come இல்லையா, நீ you cannot escape. Oh, I don't have to do any sadhana, I am not destined to do sadhana, I will just remain as it is அப்படின்னா அப்ப சத்சங்கம் வந்திருக்க மாட்டேன். Then today you would have, today's satsanga you would have missed somehow. Sometimes so happens that people, one particular day they will not come, then they will come every other day, and but today you may not have come, but you came today, so no escape. வந்துட்டியோன்னா உன் தலையெழுத்து தான், நீ சாதனை பண்றது உன் தலையெழுத்து தான். எப்போ இன்னைக்கு வந்து நீ மாட்டின்றியோ, நீ உன் சாதனை பண்றது உன் தலையெழுத்து. when you came today and got today, that means it is your prarabdha to do sadhana. You cannot escape. இல்லைன்னா எல்லாருக்கும் ஒரு கேள்வி வந்துடும், what is sadhana? Then again, what is sadhana? Sitting and meditating is sadhana. Physical posture, japa. What is sadhana? Sadhana is alertness. Sadhana is intense alertness. That's sadhana. Sadhana is nothing but awakeness, alertness, being alert, being awake and alert to what? Being awake and alert to the truth that all that is happening by that Mahashakti, and I should not nod away, go into a daze and think I am doing. Have you tried in the night, when you are sleeping, just about to drop off to sleep doesn't come just like that, but or a state or a fugue state will come where suddenly you will float off somewhere, you don't even know what you are thinking, but suddenly you will wake up. Have you had that situation? You are awake, because you are tired, you are sleeping, but you are not yet sleeping, you cannot even recollect what it is, but you are floating. In sadhana, that floating state is equivalent to once again thinking I am the doer. That means alertness when you are sitting to meditate, I'm using the example of meditation only because there is something all of you can relate to. Adukkaga meditation solren. It doesn't mean meditation na sadhana nanachikadingo. Here I am not using the word meditation as a synonym for sadhana, because I do not consider the meditation that you do as sadhana. You may think you are doing sadhana by meditating, but that's fine. You have freedom, a free country after all. But I am not accepting that. But I am giving you that as an example because you sit to meditate and Krishna, something you are doing, or you are focusing, I am the Atma, I am the Self, you are doing something, suddenly you are slipping off, in real sadhana, that remaining alert is knowing I am not the doer, and nodding off like that is once again falling into the trap that I am the doer. Is once again thinking, but I have to plan, but I have to, okay? Other ones nodding off. So whether you sit and meditate or stand and meditate, I do not care. If you do not meditate also, it's okay. Being alert to the fact that Guru Mahashakti is doing everything, that is meditation. That is the real meditation, that is the real tapas. There is no room for ahankara in that. In order to help us have faith in this Mahashakti only, we are portraying this great Shakti as very compassionate. Karuna Purna Sudabdhe அப்படின்னு சொல்றோம், அபார கருணாம்புதே அப்படின்னு சொல்றோம். ஏன்னா otherwise it is very difficult for us to let go to this Shakti if we did not know that this Shakti is going to work in our favor. We need proof, we need assurance that the Shakti will take care of me, it will look after me. அதனால சொல்றோம் அது ரொம்ப கருணைப்பா, it is filled with lot of compassion, it loves you, it will do only good to you அப்படிலாம் சொல்ல வேண்டி கிடக்கு. We have to tell or remind ourselves, we have to call Bhagavan, Karunambudhe, Apara Karunambudhe. Appa, you are such an extraordinary, immeasurable ocean of grace, ocean of compassion. Abdinatha, I will have at least some readiness to surrender to this force. He doesn't think about you, he doesn't even know who you are, he doesn't bother with you. Surrender to it. He doesn't care. How can I surrender to it? Abdin thonu illaya. Illappa, it cares about you, it loves you, it look after you. And the Shakti vandu solradhu. The Shakti itself is coming and saying, Sarvadharman parityajya mamekam sharanam vraja aham tva sarvabhavebhyo mokshayishyami masucha. Na pandrenpa. Nandappa the Shakti. Where are you, Lapa? என்ன நம்புப்பா, நான் தான்ப்பா அகமாத்மா குணாகேஷா சர்வபூதா ஷயஸ்திதா அகமாதிஷ்ச மத்யம் ச பூதானாமந்தமே வச்ச எல்லாம் நான் தான்ப்பா. ஐ எம் தட் சுப்ரீம், ஐ எம் தட் சுப்ரீம். அர்ஜுனன் கேட்க, ஏய் கதை விட்டுற பத்தியா, டூப் விடுற பத்தியா, நீ கிருஷ்ண, நீ நம்ம கிருஷ்ணன் தானே, நீ நம்ம வசுதேவ மாமா புள்ள தானே, நீ அங்கேயாவது வந்து ஓங்கிறிய நீ அப்படின்னா. அப்பதான் பகவான் சொல்ல, யதா யதா ஹி தர்மஸ்ய க்ளானிர் பவதி பாரத அபியுத்தானம் அதர்மஸ்ய ததா ஆத்மானம் ஸ்ருஜாம்யம் பரித்ராணாய சாதூனாம் விநாசாய ச துஷ்கிருதாம் தர்ம சம்ஸ்தாபனார்த்தாய சம்பவாமி யுகே யுகே. இதெல்லாம் பகவான் சொல்றான். பிகாஸ் அர்ஜுனா இஸ் ஆஸ்கிங், ஐ டோன்ட் பிலீவ் யூ ஆர் லெர்னிங் லைஃப். யூ ஆர் ஒன்லி வசுதேவாஸ் சன் கிருஷ்ணா. வாட் ஆர் யூ டாக்கிங் அபவுட்? ஐ எம் ஆத்மா கீத்மா லான். டேய், நான் மாத்திரம் இல்லடா, யூஆர் ஆல்சோ ஆத்மாடா. பகவான் சொல்றேன், ஐ எம் நாட் தி ஒன்லி ஆத்மா, யூஆர் ஆல்சோ ஆத்மா. அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட், ரியலைஸ் த ட்ரூத். அதனால he says, ஈஸ்வர சர்வபூதானாம் ஹிருதேஷ அர்ஜுன திஷ்டதி பிராமயன் சர்வபூதானி யந்திராரூடானி மாயயா தமேவ சரணம் கச்ச சர்வபாவேன பாரத தத் பிரசாதாத் பராம் சாந்திம் ஸ்தானம் பிராப்ஸ்யசி சாஸ்வதம். Surrender to that Ishvara. Surrender to that Ishvara. You will attain peace. அர்ஜுன் சொல்ல, எந்த ஈஸ்வரன் பா, எனக்கு தெரியாதுப்பா, ஐ டு நாட் நோ வாட் ஈஸ்வரன். சரி விட்டு தொலை, மாமேகம் சரணம் பிரஜ, எங்கிட்டே சரண்டர் பண்ணிடும். அகமேவ சர்வபாபே மோக்ஷாய மாச்ச, ஐ வில் மைசெல்ஃப் கிவ் யூ பீஸ். அப்ப இதோ ஈஸ்வரன், நான் தாண்டா ஈஸ்வரன், இதுக்கு மேல என்ன இடத்தரா இப்படிடா சொல்ல முடியும் உனக்கு, விஸ்வரூபத்தவனா காமிக்கிறட்டுமா அப்படின்னு காமிக்கிறான் பகவான். So then if you look at that, that shows it is Paramakarunika. Paramakaruniko Bhagavan. என்ன அப்பேற்பட்ட கருணை இருக்கிறதுனால தானே, because of that extraordinary compassion, Bhagavan is thumping his chest and saying, I am the supreme, I am the Purushottama, I am the Kshetrajna, I am God, I am Brahman அப்படின்னு சொல்றானே. காலோஸ்மி லோகக்ஷேக அப்படின்னு தன்னை பீத்திக்கிறானே. He is boasting about who he is because he so much loves this Arjuna. He says, Appa, trust me. And in order to establish my credentials, I am making it clear to you, I am the Brahman. That is karuna. That is compassion. That is compassion. So, having faith in this compassion, the Vishwasam, and as a result of it, allowing this great compassionate force to take care of us, that's Sharanagati. And Rama demonstrates that in a very unique way. Ahalya Shapa Vimochanathila, there is no sign of Sharanagati. Who is surrendering to whom? Abdinna. Rama is very silently demonstrating his surrender to that supreme force without a trace of kartrutvam in him, without any trace of doership in him. He allows everything to flow through him, and as a result, Shapa Vimochana happens. If we also follow this, we will also, it will not simply be Ahalyodharanam, it will be Avarodharanam also. We will also be emancipated. It will be our Shapa Vimochanam also. What is the Shapa? In the Kunapatoda, in the Shavatoda, identifying ourselves with the Shava is the greatest Shapa. Identifying ourselves with the Shavana corpse. Being Shiva, we are identifying ourselves with the Shava. Idan periya shapam. It is a great curse. It is the original sin. Identifying oneself with the body, mind, the limited individuality oda identify pandradhirukku adam periya shapam, periya curse. We are all under that curse. If you want to get rid of that curse, you have got to understand, like Rama did, I am not doing anything. When we go into that presence will wipe away the curse. Just as Rama's presence wiped away Ahalya's curse, like that, in the Atma Ramanudiya presence. Atma Ramanadu. It is the Atma Rama. It is the Rama who is the Atma. And then once I establish myself in that, I am not, body is doing, mind is doing, I am not doing. When I take the I away from the doers, then I have taken the I away from the body, mind which is doing, and instead I have placed it in myself. In the Atma. So when I have placed myself in the Atma in that manner, my Shapa is also nullified, annulled at that time. In all our cases also, Ahalya mistakes Indra as Gautama. Indra dane varan, and Indra takes the form of Gautama. Or misidentification. Namalume misidentification da. We are also identifying the body and the Atma misidentified. We are thinking I am the body mind. In the I am the body mind is the same as Ahalya falling for Indra. வித்தியாசம் கிடையாது, ரெண்டும் ஒன்று தான். அதுக்கு என்ன பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா, பஹூனி வர்ஷ சஹஸ்ராணி, for thousands of years, thousands of births, we are also doing the same tapasya. And when will this be freed? When Rama comes, we will also be freed from the curse. Rama na swarupam, Atma inga. Illa Ishwaran, Bhagavan. Ramane vachiko, Ramachandrane vachiko, Sri Ramane vachiko. When the day when Sri Rama comes into your heart, that day your curse also will be broken. Until then, what should I do? Tapas pannanum. What Ahalya did is what we should do. What Ahalya did is what we should do. Nirahara, Vayubhaksha, Vatabhaksha, Nirahara. She did not eat anything. Careful, she did not eat anything. Namalume, we should not eat anything. Should not eat anything. No, dinner shapalaya. Adukule satsangath vanduten. Aparma dinner shapalana nachindene. Nirahara chapadapradana. Nirahara appadina enna artham? Akhriyate iti aharahana. Senses ku thane porudhu. Not the food that you eat, but the sense indulgence irukke. Adha aharam. Nirahara appadina without giving into that sense indulgence. Vata bhaksha, the prana, vata na prana, pranopasana dhan. Controlling the prana, controlling the senses. When we detach ourselves, not seen, not going and getting involved in anything, when we are going to do our tapasya, Rama will come. Engen varapara Atma lenna, Atma da Raman. In the Rama Sannidhi, our curse also will be broken. This is the episode of Ahalya Shapa Vimochanam. Or inner insight, which another look into Ahalya Shapa Vimochana, which makes it very, 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 very intimate and appropriate to us, immediate to us. Ilana Rama is praised as the one who relieved some Ahalya some thousands of years ago. What is it to me if Ahalya was cursed or redeemed of curse? Our curse also can be redeemed by the same Rama if we also let the same things happen. Appo rendu lesson, one Ahalya oda lesson, one Rama oda lesson. Ahalya's lesson and the mistake of Ahalya is to confuse the Atma and the body. And to give into that pleasure, to give into the pleasure of the body is Ahalya's mistake. Atma va, vadamba Atma va eduthundu taking the body to be the self, the body mind and the limited individuality, taking it to be the self and indulging in the pleasures that come as a result of that limited individuality is Ahalya's sin. That's original sin. And the remedy for that, Nirahara Vatabhaksha, avadingaradhan adukku remedy. And when that is done, Rama will come. Tapas until then. What is this tapas? Tapas is shown by Rama. What is tapas? Not taking any doership is tapas. Bring everything together. We will also have Urishapa Vimochanam. Even our curse of this Ajnana will be destroyed. Janaki Kanta Smaranam Jai Jai Rama Rama Anjaneya Swami Ki Jai. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु ओम शांति 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 हरि ओम तत्सत् श्री साईश्वरार्पणमस्तु।